Hi friends, here is the solution. Actually, here is the query which I posted in group to find the salary for this. It's a case sensitive. What I said, don't use index, match, VLOOKUP, exact. But you have to find the salary for this Kiran. Okay. You're not supposed to use any sort of functions which I mentioned over in the group, like index, match, VLOOKUP, exact. Now, here I will show you how to do. Okay. Before going to the actual formula, I will show you one thing. Okay. So if I use this equal to this, so it will show you the true, right? Because it won't see the case sensitive. It will not see the case sensitive. It will show you the true. Okay. Now, if I use like this, it will pick up this position. Okay. It will pick up the position where it is. But if I use this function, it will give you the error. Why? Because find is the case sensitive. Okay. It's not yet over, guys. It's not yet over. Here is the logic. What is it? Index, match, exact. You are not supposed to use index, match, and exact. So here is the solution I will show you. So find is a case sensitive. If I enter capital A, it will show you the one position. Okay. So I am not using index, match, exact, VLOOKUP. I am using only one function, that is lookup. And find. See what you want to find. First of all, find of this comma in this. So it will show you the, if it is find, it will show you the ones or the position where it occurs, or else other than that it will show you the error. Now what I will do, simply I will go to look up. What you want to look up? You want to look up 1 in that range, or else it may be so many numbers. Okay, let's try in a new method. I'm also trying the new method. It may be we are looking at numbers. It may be any number in an array. It may be any number in an array. So we want to look up only the number, but not the any sort of thing. Okay. So give the maximum number which Excel will understand, only this. The maximum number which Excel will allow, not more than this. Okay. So I am taking this number to look up in this array to find the number. Okay. And the result vector will be this. Okay. If I press enter, see. Is it right? Right. Okay, guys. If you want to highlight this whole range as per this criteria for better visualization, okay, then use this function. First of all, what you will do, just copy this one from here, Control C, come to here, Control V, delete. Parallel to, exactly parallel to the data. Okay, now what I'll use, exact. Now I'll use exact of this, blocking the all sides, comma, blocking the column, but not the row, because it has to check a row wise but not the column wise. When I drag formula to the column wise, false. So wherever it finds the correct. If I change here to here, see. Now I'll copy this one from here. So C, escape, highlight, Alt HB, sorry, Alt HLL. Shortcut key for condition format. Okay. Format any color gold filled with yellow. What will be the black? Uh, It will look like this. Same like, okay. Whenever I change this one, okay. Now I will give you one target or a quiz or a question, whatever it will be. So maximum people will understand, will know this one. Just to check how many people will know this. Okay. Wait a minute. Say, oh, what is the question actually? Text of this. That's what in one comma. So okay, what's wrong here? Okay, so what to count actually. So what you'll do, just give me the count of, just I need to count of these keywords over here. Okay. See the question. In next session I will explain you what is that. You have to count whenever I change, you have to count that keyword. Okay, that given how many times it is occurring. Okay, maximum times. And not only that, try to find it out maximum which name is occurring maximum times. Which name? Let's say Kiran is here, the case sensitive, and I want to know which name is occurring maximum times. Okay, I don't want a count. Easily you can do count it. But what I said, which name is occurring maximum times. If you don't understand what I mean to say. But I don't want four, but I want in this range which name is occurring maximum times. Okay. Okay, I will meet you in the next session. Signing off, Rajnikant.